Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to install PS2 emulator on your PC and how you can set it up and install the BIOS. So to do that, first of all you have to install the setup. You're going to choose standard installation. After the setup is complete, you have to reboot your system. After restarting your system, you're going to see the PS2 emulator on your desktop. So you have to double click and open it. It's going to show you the themes. I'm going to choose native and click on next. So what you have to do now is to import the BIOS. Extract the BIOS. I'm going to provide a link in the description. So this is the BIOS. You're going to copy it and move it to the document folder. Go to BIOS and copy everything. And paste it here. So what you have to do now is to reset or refresh the list, and the BIOS is going to show up. You can now choose any one you want. You can go with the latest one. Click next, next, and click on finish. We have now successfully set up our PS2 emulator. So if you want to play some games, you can go and dump your game and add your game to the directory and start playing.